Hey everyone, this is Kunal from Digit, and today we have the Sony Xperia C3 Dual. Now this is Sony's new selfie-centric smartphone. So as you can see, it has a front camera with a flash. This is a 5 megapixel camera, so you can take better pictures of yourself. And also at the back, we have an 8 megapixel camera with an LED flash. Let's check out the body and design. It is actually a very big device. This is a 5.5 inch 720p display. But to be very honest, it's one of the slimmest device that we've seen. Even though it's like huge, as you can see, the thickness is very slim. Sony has been always good with designs, and this smartphone is no exception. You get a very nice looking, chrome finish on the edges. And of course, you have your standard omnibalance design, which Sony has. So you have a round power button, the volume control. They have also added a camera shutter key, and you can't see, but they have cleverly put this flap for you to put the SIM. So it has a tray inside, two micro SIM slots. So yes, this is a dual SIM device. So overall, I think it's a very good looking device. Even though it's quite big, there's also a micro SD card expansion plus the micro USB port. On top, there's only the 3.5mm jack. You cannot remove the back panel, so it is a unibody design. But I think it is well done. Even the plastics, they don't look all that cheap. Although it's slightly, it does take up a bit of it clings onto dirt and all that, so it gets a little bit of dirty. Overall, I think the design is good, and it's not so bad. Sony is always, like I said, they're good with design. At the front, you have a big glass panel with a 5.5 inch 720p display. It is, crisp, although the pixel density goes down because of the large size. It still looks pretty good. Sony has its Mobile Bravia and triluminous display technologies, which do boost up the colors as well as the sharpness on the display. If I look at the front, you see two slots kind of a thing. These are not the loudspeaker or the stereo speaker systems. Apparently, this is the microphone and this is the earpiece. The loudspeaker is actually at the back. So yes, if you think you get a stereo speaker experience on the front, it is not that. There is a small LED indicator over here plus some sensors. Of course, like I said, there's the front cam and a small soft LED, so you can take good selfies. So overall, I think fits well in the hand. It is very slim, like I said, but big size. Not we are not personally good, very big fans of these huge size devices. But I think for something like 20 something in the 22,000 budget, this is a very good looking device. The overall dimensions are good. It's slim. Yes, you can't remove the back panel, but then it feels very nice in the hand. So overall, I think the C3 from Sony, not a bad device if you're going for something that looks really good, quite good, yeah.